Okay, and so we just did 2 tac 27, I think, so now we're on 2 tac 28. Oof, and this one's got 4 parts. Alright, why don't we make this one the last one for tonight? They've had some, plus we just learned something in the previous problem. So, well, maybe. Alright, so let's just do these 4 and we'll be done. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. So what have we got here? We've got 35, 75, and a missing angle. And then we've got an x, which is a supplementary angle on the other side. Well, okay. So we know that these have to add to 180, and we know that these two have to add to 180. Okay. Well, that actually means that x is going to be equal to these two. But let's go ahead and we can do it the long way first. So we'll do these two and then subtract 180 from it. So 180 minus 35 plus 75 equals that missing angle right here. So 35 plus 75 is 110. And then 180 minus 110 is 70. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. And so then, if we want to take 70 and subtract 180, well, we know we're going to get 110. But yeah, so 180 minus 70 equals 110. So x equals 110. I guess we could have looked that one up because we saw actually in one of the previous, the exterior angle theorem right here, that D is equal to C plus A. I think they say that somewhere in here. Said, let's see. That's funny. They call it the high school exterior angle theorem. Well, I guess you are in high school, Jante, so it's a good theorem to know. But in any case, yeah, so the idea is that D is equal to C plus A. Alright, so we could have done it that way. Just add these two and now we have X. But in any case, so we did it. Next one. Alright, so now we're on B. Ooh, interesting. So we've got this 140 over here, and then we've got X and something else. But again, exterior angle theorem, we know that this is the exterior angle, and so it's going to be equal to the sum of these two. We know that this side is equal to this side because they're marked that, because it's an isosceles triangle. So we know this angle is x, this angle must be x. So actually we can write 140 equals x plus x, or 140 equals 2x. Well, and that's pretty easy. Divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2. So divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2. And then you're going to get x equals 70. So this x is 70, this x is 70. And then the remaining side will be 60. Is that right? 70, 70, that's 140. No, this side will be 40. Which makes sense, because 140 plus 40 is going to be 180. And these are on a straight line. So there you go. Okay, so that's B. So now let's do C. So what do we have with C? Again, we have this exterior angle. Oh man, I guess they're trying to teach us the exterior angle theorem. So here we go. So we got 140, which needs to be the sum of these two opposite angles, these opposite interior angles. So we've got 148 equals x plus 100. Well, that's easy. Let's subtract 100 from both sides, which means these go away, and x equals 48. Yep, 100 plus 48 equals 148. There we go. All right. And then last one. Here we go. And then we're done. Done for the night. Let's see. Insert equation. So we've got, again, x right here. Exterior angle theorem must equal 36 plus... Oh, man. They're messing with us. So they told us these two angles are equal, but they didn't tell us what they were. But thankfully, we know that 180 minus 36 equals 144. And if we divide 144 by 2, 144 divided by 2 equals 72. So each of these two angles must be 72. So x equals 36 plus 72, which is 108. All right, and there we have. So this exterior angle theorem sounds like pretty important to know. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, that's not a very good image. Yeah, here we go. The high school exterior angle theorem, the H seat, says that the size of an exterior angle at a vertex of a triangle equals the sum of the sizes of the interior angles at the other two vertices of the triangle, the remote interior angles. So in the picture, the size of angle ACD equals the size of angle ABC plus the size of angle CAB. I'm not sure I remembered all of those, but yeah, here we go. So ACD, which is D, equals C plus A. So we just proved it 4 times. And that's it. Cool. So remember that exterior angle theorem, just in case. Saves you some time. All right. That should be enough math, plenty of math for tonight. And have a great night. And I look forward to talking with you guys soon. Bye-bye.